Exposing the X in Y. Exposing the hidden purpose behind desert obelisks. In Namibia, Western China, and the Atacama, stone pillars rise from the sands. But why? Namibia's stone obelisks, some over 3 meters tall, have stood untouched for centuries. In Western China, ancient alignment posts point perfectly to the North Star, long before GPS. The Atacama's lonely monoliths? Locals whisper their doors to other worlds. Earth's deserts are full of mysteries. How many have we missed? Stick around for more secrets hidden in plain sight.